I'm really tall. Like, I feel like I should, like... Is that better?
It's perfect.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's do this, YouTube. What's up, tag team? This is my cousin Savannah.
I'm gonna get smile lines by the end of this video.
You poor thing. So what we're doing today is we're surprising each other with each other's makeup.
Makeup.
I have no idea what she's doing to me. She has no idea what I'm doing to her.
I have no idea what I'm doing to her.
I'm going to set a timer. Haha. This is what we're gonna do. Let's set an alarm.
Okay.
So we each gotta do each other's makeup.
For 10 minutes! It takes me like 10 minutes just to do a lip line.
By the way, I was gonna wear a fantastic wig today. This is why I did not do my hair. Imagine these colors on my head. I put it on earlier.
I picked it.
It's adorable, but it did not look good. So because of that, I'm gonna wear it as a scarf.
Okay.
That's happening.
Now it's stuck on your choker. Great.
Okay, so 10 minutes. Starting now.
Okay.
Okay.
It's easier to do it like this. I do
Okay.
it.
There we go. We got it.
Get in your eye.
We got it. It's okay, I got one to spare. Just slap it on. Apparently
You guys didn't see that? I like basically let her eat primer. You're gonna do it again. What's your dermatologist tested CC cream? Is that
test it on my face?
is it like foundation though?
I think so.
This isn't foundation, it's
No.
white.
Watch. Do it. Show it to the camera.
White.
Like, watch. Now put it on my face. You'll see. You'll be so impressed. You'll be like, oh my god. Look at that.
It's gonna change. It makes you look pink.
Yeah, because I'm pink. I don't actually know how it works.
You lied. She
guessing.
lied.
I was just guessing. I'm just going crazy with everything now. You're like, I'm just gonna use this.
I needed foundation, and I thought that was foundation. That you told me was foundation, but guess what? She didn't actually know.
I think I've definitely said in my previous videos, I am not a professional. Well, this is where we're going. This is what we're working with.
Stop. Do you have primer? Obviously, I was gonna say, do you have primer? But it's like right there. Sorry.
That'd be really funny if I forgot to hit the record button. Oh my god, I did forget. I forgot to hit record. Nah, I'm just messing with you. I'm totally messing with you. It's recording.
Oh! Guys, she's giving me the worst anxiety the past couple nights.
Oh, completely. And the thing is, I like it.
This is the palette I'm using. It's full of many different colors for peacocks. Okay, anyway. Let's do a green, my dudes.
Sure, let's do it.
Okay,
We're down to 9 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh my god, you know what? I'm not going off that. So you might be down to 9 minutes. I'm down to whenever I want.
It adds interest.
You want to add interest? Telling people you have a life coach.
She's my life coach.
So I'm a 12-year-old. I'll be 13 in 38 days.
I like how technical you are. You are so precise. You're like, I will be 13 precisely in, what would you say, 38 days?
Yeah.
People ask me how old I am. I have to stop and be like, she's the adult. Like, clearly, if you guys have seen my other videos.
People like beauty gurus or whatever who are really good at makeup are probably cringing to this video. I messed up. I need to remove stuff. Where's your beauty guru?
That's how I do it. Hey Savannah, remember that video we shot where you spit in my face to get the makeup off my eye?
You just catch pigment, you stupid eye.
I take it there's a lot of fallout. I cannot wait to watch this.
Concealer will hopefully fix all my problems.
Guess what?
What?
6
minutes.
No. Oh my gosh.
I canceled the timer.
She just canceled the timer. She just like owned the video.
Welcome to Savannah's video, guys. Lid primer? Oh, I gotta go on my shirt. Yeah. I keep making you think I'm gonna go in and I just like don't. Don't forget that I did this on her eye. We're just not gonna go in with that green like I told you guys to go in if you try to copy this makeup look, you're not going with the green. I love how all this fallout actually goes on her under eye and on the side of her eye. I love
but
it.
none goes on the lid.
Exactly.
I would. I like how you blew like down here.
I did?
I thought none of it got in the face. Thank you for cooling me down. The go's already pretty cool, but just sorry.
I'm gonna try as much primer as I can because it's like not coming through. Like, come through. Okay. Can you shut your eyes?
Usually people ask me if I could shut my mouth. I feel like you should do what dogs do when you do that. Like, you ever blown a dog's face and they go like this?
Look, your face in the thing is so horrible. Okay, am I done with the eyes? Yeah.
Is this? You said that with so much confidence. Where is this going?
Okay.
Over here. I don't know what's going on over here. Do I have something going along the sides of my face? No, I have it on me. Safety first on my channel.
If it's safety, then how would I fall in the first place? Okay, guys. It looks blue around her eyes, but it's alright.
It's meant to look like that.
And the worst part is I'm about to line your lips with red.
Yes.
Which is gonna make it horrible because like it doesn't even match anything. I'm not on her actual line.
I feel like that just lined up to my eyebrow, but I'm really I'm gonna line your lip all the way up to here. So we're gonna redo the eyes.
Yeah, only like the eyes because mainly it like made look like you.
You can tell we're related.
Okay, we're gonna do the lipstick. As you see, I already overlined her lip. Everyone's gonna want to finesse this trend. You know what finesse means? Like, I'm gonna finesse your dad. That means like I'm gonna snatch your dad. Not her dad, but like.
Oh my god! I can see the lipstick from here in the view. Smash or pass.
Hard smash. We're gonna go in with this immense.
Should I go like this so we don't get followed?
Yeah. No, I can always cover it up. That was intense.
It was fantastic for me. No fans needed here. Just blow in my face. I want like brows the size of my arms to match these lips. I want to make it look like one of those extremely hairy men just put his arms on my face. That's how thick I want my eyebrows.
Hey, look, it's a puppy! Oh, you look so cute!
Everyone's gonna want this look. Like, it's cool that you are the first to see it, but everybody needs this look for 2019.
So I basically did her eye, and it's like sticking together. Try to shut your eye. Come on.
Oh god. Whoa.
I did little small black lashes.
I can blink.
Good job. Anyways, now I'm gonna do these peacock ones. Yay!
I like how I can blink with the one side.
Oh my gosh. You know what? We're just gonna leave for us like that. Who cares? Look at me trying to be a booty guru.
You think under eye concealer makes you look more awake? No. Gluing your eyelashes to your eyebrows is the new thing. Okay. This look takes a lot of patience.
You look like a dog.
What?
Open your eyes. Go on. Open that eye. Open that eye.
What started with openness of the eyes has been replaced with burning shut eyes. I wish you could see the world like I see the world right now.
Open your eye. You're ruining your makeup.
It's my turn to take 2018 by storm.
This storm is more like a tornado. Then we take this brush from, I don't know where it's from. Where is it from?
I found it on the street. I spit shined it.
I don't know what that means. I'm gonna put gold flakes on her.
Should I just go get the glue gun?
Sorry, I'm laughing because I'm just like looking at her and her eyelashes are. Okay, let's see if it'll stick on your face. It won't stick, so we're gonna have to go get the
It's stuck in my
eyelash.
mouth. It went down my shirt. I definitely want to cover my whole body in this.
So we're just gonna put a little bit of glue right here. Oh, that's not a little bit.
I could live in this.
We'll put. I like it like that too.
What have I agreed to?
And at the beginning of the day, by the way, guys, her outfit was perfect, and now like just the top is just. So now we're gonna put fake freckles, because if you don't have freckles, then
Oh, yeah.
if you don't have freckles, then why are you in alive? There's only a couple things I need to put on her now, because her makeup look is close to complete. I really want to just put these in her hair. So.
Oh, yeah, you gotta go put her. Let's gotta show them. This is the look.
Now this is the reveal, guys.
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna be so hard for her to get this off.
I am. Why would I take this off?
To go swimming.
I don't know.
Take this seriously. It's my look.
I was just laughing because I love it.
My favorite. What was your favorite part about doing this?
Definitely the eyelashes.
My favorite part had to be the eyelashes when one of her eyelashes were stuck, so it was like this. Her eyes looked like this, and she was like, "Oh."
I think they still look like. I think this is my favorite video so far.
Alright, guys.
Alright, guys. Well, this is the final
Look.
That was a great throw. That was pretty awesome. Not planned. Well, thank you guys for watching so much. If you want to check out Savannah's channel, how would you describe your channel?
Entertaining.
So go check out Savannah's channel. It is in the link down below in the description. Oh, positive quote of the day. Holy smokes, I almost forgot. How could we forget about positivity?
It's mine that I chose, right?
I'm pretty sure it is.
Then I'll tell you what it is because I remember it.
Okay.
The only time success comes before work is in the dictionary. So if you want to be successful, you've got to work for it.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay.
That was a lot more like big in my head. It was a good time.
You don't have to have the whole thing.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Smash or pass? Smash.
Smash.
Smash. Hard smash.
Really hard.